Emails are an inseparable part of our lives. We use them for work as well as personal reasons. But did you ever wonder how secure are they? You are watching Everyday Tech. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Emails are not secure. There are two reasons behind it. The protocols. If you don't know protocols, define the rules and regulations about how the communication would take place between two parties. The second is there is no way that we have an end-to-end encryption. In other words, there is no way that the email is completely encrypted during its transit from the source to the destination. Email uses two protocols. SMTP, in other words, Simple Mail Transmission Protocol, is used to send the email from the sender and relaying the email from server to server. The second protocol is IMAP or Internet Message Access Protocol, which is basically used to access messages received on the server. If you are doing a single domain communication like Gmail to Gmail or say Outlook to Outlook, then there is a possible chance that the communication may have some sort of encryption. But when you move to the bigger picture, when we are doing inter-domain communication, there are many occasions when the email is not encrypted as depicted in the orange color. On such occasions, anybody eavesdropping on your network can easily catch hold of your email and get the information. Best practices at personal level to follow would be not sharing bank info, health records or personal pictures over email. If you are an employer, you need to be extra careful. Do not transit your employees' personal info, contact info or payroll data over email. If you are sharing payslips, make sure it is password protected. You need to take special care if you belong to the European Union, as we need to abide by the GDPR compliances. I hope you enjoyed the video and you will think twice before sending an email. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.